trees. There's a golf umbrella are showing us that the wind's coming from the east. And it looks like a storm might be following. Oh. Maddie, what do you think? It's windy. Ah. Oh, I gotta get my feet wet, Mom. But I think there's a storm coming in. Just watch the palm trees go. Feel the breeze coming in. Oh, here we go. So here comes another gust. Oh, it turned around. It was coming from the east. Now, it's back to the east again. Maddie, can we see what direction your ears are blowing in? So, welcome to Florida kind of night. Hey, baby. Good girl. Yeah, I think we have a storm coming in. Maddie the weather dog reporting in. Good girl. Oh, Maddie, here we go. Another gust. How are those ears blowing? Let's check your ears. What direction are you going in? Oh, I gotta go check out squirrel. Be back with you, Mom. But yeah, it's rather pretty. Here we go.